Good evening, everyone. Today I am here, and today really I want to discuss something very wise. In our life, we all like to go some restaurant, and we also want to eat something special food. We also want to go visit to the some very beautiful place, and we also want to wear good dress, and we also like good cricketer. We also like to see the movie of best actor and actress. We also want to like the listen of best singer in our day-to-day life. But I also want to ask one question. Did we ever ask to ourselves, means when we have a big dream, why do we not compare our life with the life of successful people? And what is the day plan of them? Why do we not compare ourselves with them? Every successful people, they get up early morning, and we also like to sleep late morning. Every successful people, they like to go morning exercise. We avoid the morning exercise. Every successful people, they have a health care. They eat good, they drink good, they always leave the junk food. But our dream, our wish, we want to drink something as like poison. We also like to eat some junk food. We like ice cream. Recently, I was watching an interview of a very big successful people. He was telling, if you give me 10 lakh rupees, then I will not eat one rasgulla. It is the attitude of him about health care. But think about your life. We all have a desire to be a good health. We also desire I should be healthy, I should free myself from disease. But when we want to say about lifestyle, food, and our behavior totally different from the life of successful people. Why, bro? Why? When will you bring a huge change in your life? When you have a big dream, so then you have to pay the hard work for that. Did you ever notice how they work every single day, how many hours they work for their goal, for their life every single day? Maybe no. You just see the their success journey, but you don't see their back, you don't see their back effort every single day, how they struggle for their life. Every single day they fight with the problem, they solve, and they also maintain their success journey, bro. So if you want to become success in your life, and if you want to see yourself in the top of the world, so you have to also apply the habit of successful you people. You also have to stop scrolling mobile phone. You have to make to-do list, because most of us, we don't have a means work plan. Actually, entire day, what will we do? When we have a free time, that time we scroll the mobile, we also hang up with friends. But when successful people, they have for free time, they also try to learn something new skill. They manage time for new skill, but we manage time for wasting. We also manage time for our friends. Tell me how we will find our goal. Yes, if you don't be serious, your goal will hide in your heart. Your dream never will be complete. Just always you will find yourself in a dark place. No, bro, no. This life is only one. You should give your all energy to fulfill your disease. Try to manage your every single day, and when you will proper utilize your present day, so that time you don't need to fight anywhere, because this is the real day. And because what day you pass, this is past, you can't return. And what is your tomorrow? It is still now, you are in a present day. And for fulfilling your action, for fulfilling your dream, you have to take action. And for taking action, this day is perfect, this time is perfect, so start now. Don't think about the good moment, but start now. And another best things, you have to have a attitude. And what do you do doesn't matter, but how do you do this work, it is matter. Because every single person, they eat food, but they does not have a good health. But most of the only 1% of people, they also eat food, but in a different way. In this way, they are also totally different from normal people. If you want to outcome yourself from normal group to extraordinary people, then you have to apply the same habit of successful people, same habit and same behavior, same attitude of successful people, because you have to achieve that much, my dear friend. Because without doing something, you can't see the result. Because when you see the water of river is blowing in smoothly, but when you, for finding a sound, for making a halchal, you have to throw the stone inside of water. That time you can see the sound and halchal inside of water. So same, if you spend your life in a same zone, in a same way, so your life also will have same, means right now you are. If you want to see yourself in a better position, so take something good work. Focus on your work. Focus on your food. Focus on your morning time. Focus on your study. Focus on your behavior and think, how can I recorrect myself? How can I recorrect in my behavior? How can I recorrect my health? How can I recorrect my dream? How can I improve my communication skill? How can I fulfill my dream? Because you don't have an unlimited life, you have a limited life. In this limited life, you have to do something wise. There is no another life, there is no another chance, only one chance. You can make and you can destroy, both things in your hand, my dear friend, both things in your hand. So spend your life in a good way, spend your life in wisely. Otherwise all life is just, you will have a regret, regret, regret. No, bro, no. Life not for regret, life for happiness, life for joy. So how it possible? When you will take action, when you will work for yourself, not for the other, when you will take action rather than imagination or daydreaming, then you will find the reality, you will fulfill your dream, my dear friend. So really, if you want to see the result, so start work from today and right now. Give everything for fulfilling your dream. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.